Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you want to understand English in movies? It can be easy. Today, we will look at 5 key phrases from movies. Are you ready? Let's start with phrase number 1. Take your time. Take your time.
I'm leaving. I'm sorry.
Take your time.
20 questions. Remember, take your time. And
Take your time.
Take your time. The coffee is hot. Take your time. We have 5 minutes. Let me check. Let me check.
Okay, Dr. Markham, let me check my schedule, yes?
That is our branch, but let me check.
Let me check my calendar. One sec.
Let me check my bag. I can't find my keys. Let me check. I think you are right. I am looking forward. I am looking forward.
How about you?
I am looking forward to 2 weeks of peace and quiet. And finally,
I got to admit, I am looking forward to doing stuff like this more often.
I am looking forward to seeing your dessert. It's nice.
I am looking forward to watching this movie. I am looking forward to my holiday. I have no idea. I have no idea.
I have no idea.
Well, who is he? I have no idea. I have no idea, okay? The explosion, maybe?
I have no idea what we need to do. I have no idea how to open this door. It depends on. It depends on.
The state feels.
No, it depends on the trend. The trend is against you.
Look, now we understand.
It depends on where it comes from and how it's prepared.
Let Mrs. Harper know how to prepare, of course.
I guess it depends on what Dad's got cooked up for us.
It depends on the weather tomorrow. I want to go, but it depends on the time. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing your English every day.